Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix your DoorDash acceptance rate. So let's get started. First of all, you'll need to evaluate and understand your current acceptance rate. So going to DoorDash, log into your account and go to your Dasher stats. Over here you'll see your acceptance rate. So now here you can analyze this acceptance rate and see if you want to improve on it. Now what you will need to do is to analyze your declined orders. So try to find some patterns or specific reasons why you declined those orders. It may be because of a low pay, a long distance, or some unfavorable customers. So now you'll be able to address your issues and you will be more open in accepting these kinds of orders. Now you'll need to have a strategy for choosing your zones and timings. So go to delivery zones where you know there are more orders, and also areas with maximum restaurants. The timing is also very key. Make sure you're working at around lunch or dinner time. Now you need to optimize your route planning. So make sure you're completely familiar with the area and also the shortcuts. The more faster you complete every order, the more orders you'll be able to do. Also make sure that you have an eye on the app performance and updates. Make sure your DoorDash is updated to the latest version, and also make sure you have all of the new features. You will also need to work on your communication and customer service, as being reliable and providing excellent service always helps you in the long run. If you apply all of these tips and tricks, your acceptance rate will definitely increase. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.